I'm sure you've heard the news. But if not, let me tell you about the top 7 dream trips in Africa for 2025. First up, sail down the Nile in Egypt. Cruise through ancient history from pyramids to temples, and soak in the timeless magic of the pharaohs. Next, experience the Great Migration in Kenya and Tanzania. Watch millions of wildebeest and zebras cross the plains in one of nature's greatest spectacles. Head to South Africa for a mix of city life and scenic beauty. Cape Town's vibrant culture and the stunning garden route will steal your heart. Morocco's high Atlas Mountains are calling. Trek through breathtaking landscapes and explore the bustling Medinas of Marrakesh. Want more? Visit Namibia's surreal desert landscapes or Madagascar's unique wildlife. And don't forget the lush rainforests of Uganda, home to the majestic mountain gorillas. So pack your bags, y'all. Africa's waiting, and these dream trips promise memories you'll cherish forever. Until then, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay informed for more travel news.